Hello and welcome to 202 Randolph Place Northeast. This is a 2-unit condominium building located right in the heart of Eckington. As you probably know, Eckington has some great amenities. It's convenient to DC major thoroughfares, and this property is just a few steps away from Union Market. If you have the chance to try it, I highly recommend it. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the different spaces and features of this property, and we're going to give you a little bit of a walkthrough so you understand the different spaces and options that this property has to offer. So first of all, the first thing you notice in this property is the abundance of natural light. We have recessed lighting throughout, as well as these 3 large windows letting a ton of light. Today we're shooting, it's a little bit of a rainy day today, and as you can tell, we have no issues with lighting in this property. This is a great living room space with a fully open concept layout that lets the living room gently flow into this island with seating, as well as right into the kitchen. Taking a look at this kitchen, we have these great white shaker cabinets with soft close and plenty of storage here. We have under cabinet lighting, as you can see, with stainless steel Samsung appliances as well. We have a microwave oven built into the property, dishwasher, full gas 5-burner range here, as well as a vented hood. And the important thing to remember with these vented hoods that I really like to focus on is the fact that this vented hood in this property does vent outside. You will see sometimes on these properties that the hoods vent inside the property, which means if you're doing some cooking, some searing, you might have some smoke buildup in the unit. Not the case here. The hood does vent outside, which is an excellent feature. One of the little details you want to think of when you're buying a property. So here we obviously have the French door Samsung refrigerator with freezer down below. We have quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, again soft close on the drawers as well as hardwood flooring throughout. We're going to take you right back into the property here. If you move rear of the property here, we have a great pantry located just off of the kitchen, which also can serve as a walk-in closet for storing coats and those items. We have our mechanical closet here, which we won't show you. Trust me, there's an air conditioner and a hot water heater in it. Both of the furnace and the hot water heater are both gas appliances. Rear in this property, we have an office space that can also work as a second bedroom. This office space features, again, abundant closet space. There's a rear balcony that this office looks out onto. And there's a bathroom just on the other side of the hall, which we'll show you in just a second. Here, I'll give you a sense of the closets. As you can tell, the closets in this property are not just enough to be a closet. The developer here really insisted on making sure that there was an abundance of space in the closets, because after all, you are going to be living in these units, and storage is something that is very sought after. So come on right this way. We're going to take one look here at the lower level full bath. This bath is used as your bathroom just off of the living space, as well as if you had guests using that bathroom, you have the full bath here. And moving outside, you're going to see that there is this balcony space, as well as a spiral stair leading up to this unit. So if you have groceries and such, you can just climb on up those stairs. And there is parking featured with both the upper and lower units. Hello and welcome to the living level here at 202 Randolph Place, Unit 2. This level consists of 2 bedrooms. Both can serve as master suites with walk-in closets, ensuite baths, and exterior spaces. Come on, let's take a look at the front bedroom here. This is the front master suite. Features outdoor space here with a nice private outdoor area, an oversized bedroom easily accommodating a king-size bed, as well as an ensuite bath featuring double vanities, which we'll take you into in a second, and get a look at that nice large walk-in closet for optimum storage abilities. taking a look at the master suite, we have a marble top double vanity, as well as an oversized shower with marble flooring and great white subway tile in the shower. Moving to the rear of the property, we have a closet here with full-size stacked washers and dryer. As well as an additional linen closet. And moving into this rear bedroom, again, we have great space to fit a bed and end tables easily, something that you don't always see in all these units. We have a nice large walk-in closet, again, for great storage. This can also be used as another master suite, given the fact that we do have this ensuite bath, great closets, and as you just saw, a nice balcony off the rear of the property. Moving into the bath, we also feature here again marble flooring with marble tile, a marble inlay in the shower for your soap storage, white subway tile, and a very tasteful vanity as well.